In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom as a student in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or looking to refine your skills, this guide is tailored to assist students like you to seamlessly navigate through the process of creating a new class within Google Classroom. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's open up our internet browser and head over to google.com. It's where our journey begins. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're logged into more than one account, make sure to select the one associated with your school or the one you wish to use for educational purposes. After selecting your account, the next step is to enter your password. Make sure you type in your password correctly to avoid any login issues. Then click on Next. You might have done this dozens of times before, but remember, accessing Google Classroom starts with accessing your Google account securely. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the Google Apps menu, symbolized by a grid of dots, also located at the top right corner of the screen, right next to your profile picture or initial. Clicking on this will unveil various Google applications available to you. From this array, you need to locate and click on Google Classroom. It's usually located somewhere in the middle of these apps, but its position may vary. Clicking on Google Classroom will redirect you to the Classroom homepage. Here you'll have the opportunity to join classes or create one. Since our focus today is on creating a class, look for an option that says Create Class and click on it. This option is usually marked with a plus sign, plus, and can be found at the top of the screen or within your Classroom dashboard. You'll be prompted with a dialog box asking you to agree to the Classroom terms and conditions. It's vital to tick the box indicating that you've read and agree to these terms before you can proceed. Take a moment to read through these terms to ensure you're using Google Classroom appropriately. After ticking the box, click on Continue to move forward. Now you're at the heart of creating your class. You'll see fields where you can input details about your class. Start by typing in your class name. This could be anything from Biology 101 to World History, Period 3. Make it clear and specific so you and others can easily identify the class. Next, you have the option to fill in the section. This can be particularly useful if you're part of multiple sections of the same class or if you want to organize your work more precisely. You can input something like Group A or Session 1, depending on how your class is structured. Following that, type in your subject. This helps in identifying the core focus of your classroom, be it mathematics, science, English literature, or any other subject. Make sure it accurately reflects the content of your class. Lastly, you will fill in your room number. This can be a literal classroom number if your Google Classroom is intended to mirror your physical class setting, or you can get creative if it's purely for online collaboration and instruction. With all the details filled in, take a moment to review and make sure everything is correct and as you want it. Once satisfied, go ahead and click on Create. Voila, you've just created a class in Google Classroom. It generally takes a few seconds for Google Classroom to set up your new class and redirect you to your class page. Here you can start personalizing your classroom, adding class materials, assignments, and much more. The platform is intuitive, offering you a wide range of functionalities to explore as you embark on your educational journey. Remember, Google Classroom is a powerful tool that fosters collaboration and learning. Take your time to explore its features and how you can leverage them to enhance your learning experience. Whether you're diving into assignments, engaging in class discussions, or managing your coursework, Google Classroom is designed to support your educational endeavors every step of the way. And there you have it, you're all set up with your new Google Classroom. I hope this guide has been helpful for you to navigate the setup process smoothly. Keep exploring, learning, and growing with Google Classroom. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.